In this video, I'll show you how to get your API key for OpenAI. It's very, very simple. First of all, you have to sign up and log in to the OpenAI platform. Now, this isn't the same as ChatGPT. I'll put the link where you actually sign up at underneath this video. So when you've signed up and you get inside, it's very easy to get started because it's got the stuff there for you. First thing is to create an API key. Now, I'd give it a name and call it Micro Course Maker. And you'll be able to create projects later on, but it doesn't really matter about that, and just create the secret key. Right, when you get this key, you need to copy it and save it because you won't be able to access it again. So copy it, save it. I recommend saving it in something like LastPass or RoboForm in a safe note, so you always know where it is. You can access it from whatever machine you're on when you log into that account. Otherwise, put it in a notepad file and put it somewhere where you'll remember where it is. Okay, so now we've got our key. I'm not going to copy that one. Next thing, add credits. So you go to that and you may get some credits already in there as a free trial. I don't know what they're doing at the moment with that, but you need to add some payment details in there. You can choose whichever payment method you want, and you need to put at least $5 credit in there. The way I do it, I put a little bit more in, and I have it so it auto refreshes. When it goes down to just $5 remaining, it will automatically charge my card for another $10 or whatever. So I know I'm never going to run out. I know I'm never going to, the well is never going to be dry. So that's the way I do it. That's up to you how you do it, okay? But you do need to put a minimum of a $5 in there, and when you've done that, you're good to go.